Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Spotify is not playing audio or the sound isn't coming out on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing you want to make sure is make sure the song is actually playing. So in the media player, make sure that it's not paused and that the video is playing, and the little audio icon. And then you also want to make sure that the system volume is also turned on as well. Something else you want to try here as well, if you open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match to come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the playing audio troubleshooter and the run button. And I recommend following along with any of the on-screen prompts here. And then you just would select next to continue on. And then hopefully that'd be able to resolve the problem as well. You may also want to try running Spotify as an administrator. So if you have a desktop shortcut, you could right click on it and then run as administrator, or through the search menu, go ahead and try running it as an administrator and see if that potentially provides a workaround for you as well. One final thing, you want to open up the sound icon down the taskbar and then select the little gear icon that says all settings. And then on the right side, you want to select sound. Where it says choose where to play sound, you may have to click a drop down here. And you want to select the proper output device. Perhaps you're using an incorrect output device that might not even be connected to your computer. And you may have to add a device here as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.